You asked, how to divide 8,512 by 38 using the long division method. 8 is too small. Use 85. 85 divided by 38 equals 2. 2 times 38 equals 76. 85 minus 76 equals 9. Bring down 1, making 91. 91 divided by 38 equals 2. 2 times 38 equals 76. 91 minus 76 equals 15. Bring down 2, making 152. 152 divided by 38 equals 4. 4 times 38 equals 152. 152 minus 152 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 224.